Welcome back to NextGear Auto. Today, we're exploring one of the most famous ships in history, the RMS Titanic. The RMS Titanic was built by Harland and Wolff in Belfast, Northern Ireland, for the White Star Line. Construction began on March 31, 1909. At the time, it was one of the largest and most luxurious passenger ships ever built. The ship measured about 269 meters, or 882 feet 9 inches long, with a beam of 28 meters. It had a gross register tonnage of 46,328 tons and could carry more than 2,200 passengers and crew. Titanic was powered by two massive triple-expansion steam engines and one low-pressure steam turbine driving three propellers. This system produced around 46,000 horsepower, allowing the ship to reach a top speed of about 23 knots, or 43 kilometers per hour. The ship featured 16 watertight compartments, which many people believe made it practically unsinkable. Luxury was the defining feature of Titanic. First-class passengers enjoyed elegant dining rooms, a grand staircase, a swimming pool, Turkish baths, a gymnasium, a squash court, libraries, and luxurious private suites. Even second-class accommodations were considered excellent for the era, while third-class passengers had better facilities than on many other ships of the time. After nearly 3 years of construction and fitting out, Titanic was launched on May 31, 1911. It completed sea trials in early April 1912 and departed Southampton, England, on its maiden voyage to New York City on April 10, 1912. The ship stopped at Cherbourg, France, and Queenstown, Ireland, before heading across the Atlantic Ocean. On the night of April 14, 1912, at approximately 11:40 p.m., Titanic struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic. Although the collision seemed minor at first, the iceberg damaged several watertight compartments. Water poured into the ship faster than the pumps could remove it. In the early hours of April 15, 1912, Titanic broke apart and sank beneath the icy waters of the Atlantic Ocean. More than 1,500 people lost their lives, making it one of the deadliest peacetime maritime disasters in history. Around 700 survivors were rescued by the RMS Carpathia, which responded to Titanic's distress calls. The tragedy led to major changes in international maritime safety. New regulations required ships to carry enough lifeboats for everyone on board, maintain continuous radio communication, and improve iceberg monitoring. These reforms helped make ocean travel much safer in the years that followed. In 1985, the wreck of Titanic was discovered approximately 3,800 meters beneath the surface of the North Atlantic by an expedition led by Dr. Robert Ballard. Since then, scientists have continued to study the wreck, providing valuable insights into the ship's design, its final moments, and life aboard the legendary ocean liner. More than a century later, the RMS Titanic remains a symbol of human ambition, engineering excellence, and the importance of safety at sea. Its story continues to inspire books, documentaries, museums, and films around the world, ensuring that the legacy of Titanic will never be forgotten. Thanks for watching NextGear Auto. If you enjoyed this historical ship feature, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating stories about legendary vehicles and ships from around the world.